Also bulbous.
Bulbous?
Just like big.
Word of the day.
I don't like this. Hello everyone. So we're doing a little bit of a different video today. As a lot of you know, I've now got Rob filming and editing some of my videos.
Yeah.
And I don't see these until a few hours before they're uploaded, and I'm usually in stitches at how much this guy mocks me, makes fun of me in my videos, and we thought it'd be quite funny to do a reaction. So we've got Rob here overviewing it. I've also got Rob's brother Stephen, who writes a lot of the music for my videos. So I'll put a link to his thing in the description as well, where you can listen to his music.
That's nice.
Yeah. So yeah, we thought we'd do a reaction video. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hello everybody, welcome back to the Router Cabinet build series. So on here, I've drawn up two mock-up doors, which I'll draw some grain patterns on and I'll show you the difference. We'll get closer. So door number one, if you've got grain like this, where you've got sort of swirly patterns and you see it bending out a little bit, set it on a door so the grain patterns are bending out. Why? And you can see, even though the door is rectangular, it looks fat. It's just the way the grain patterns work. Pear shape, apple shape. Pear shape, yeah. So this door looks, it's not pear shaped though, is it? Looks like a melon. Melon shaped body. This one is Okay, so the way I cut this out with that one bit is I've got a lot of repeat patterns in this. Oh, cut into the wrong size. The rails should be 40mm tall, but I've made them 30. So in that case, we are going to make them 10. I'm thinking of
Thank you so much. So mine.
25, which makes the actual 10 in this. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Right, haunch is going to be 10mm in that case. So I'm going to rescribe them. It's so stressful. Like Rob, because now he has to watch me do it again. 10mm. So I'm going to do that on all the components, and then we will start cutting them out. Sorted. That flew over your shoulder then. Yeah, I've done this a little bit wrong.
I did wonder, you
Yeah, 10 is actually going to be very small in this.
It's so sad. Is it that? Glue?
Oh, glue will hold it, absolutely. It's not like there's going to be any stress on the door either. Oh wait, that's why, it's because I drew the haunch to the wrong amount. After assembling these is a few components that are all So what we're going to do is take number dinosaur and I'll make that my template. Have I got a pencil anywhere? I'll make it my template to mark the shoulder lines on the opposite one. What are you doing?
Sounds like the music's already started.
Let's see. Where have I put it? This is falling down. Okay, and I need my clean knife as well, which is definitely around here somewhere, because I used that earlier. Oh my lord. Forceps recording. Oh, for God's sake. So the first one I'm going to mark to be 20mm with the marking gauge.
You're such a bastard.
20mm there. Okay, so that is a template.
I love how you can laugh at yourself as well.
See on it. Don't try this at home, kiddies. Do you know what I'm doing?
You're the one.
So that makes that 400. Oh my lord. I've got the pressure of Rob watching me now.
How did I struggle with that?
502. Yes. And then to get the width
So
of the
much
panel.
pressure. I know. That's what slows me down.
From porch. This fits in 50 FPS, Rob.
I didn't realise it was
Oh, hey, it's me, Rob. Yeah, Matt didn't turn on his microphone for this bit, so I'm going to have to voice over for him. But I can tell you what, I mean, woodworking's easy. He's got some plastic for the top half of his cabinet. However, the bottom half deserves something extra special. And I mean extra special. The question is, what material is he going to use?
Is it gonna be the Duke? Nope. Is it gonna be Welsh? Nope. Is it gonna be this mystery green timber that I've got no idea what it is? Nope. Is it gonna be this lovely burr material that I've got? Nope. It's gonna be OSB. Thank you very much. The more people who insult my use of OSB in the workshop, the more it encourages me to use it in unnecessary places. So unlike the plasticky material that's due to go in the section up here, pretty sweet as well. Okay, and it's that time of day again where we've got to do a bit of maths. I think it's definitely time on this channel to have a maths with Matt section because it must make for terrible viewing. Maths. Anyway, so I'm going to just quickly draw this panel again. Wow, that's terrible. Anyway, so we've got a 15mm thick style frame with a 4mm groove in it, which means either side of. That's incredibly thin. Cool. But before we go any further with this, come on, to appreciate the versatility of OSB. Look at this. You've got a choice of.
I spent the whole 5 minutes on that.
Four. Oh, I keep looking at that 7 thinking it's a 4. That was the right one. What's going on here? 1, 2, 2. Oh, it's because there's 4 uprights. There's not 2 of them, is there? There we go. That's what I'm after. That one. Oh. Yes. That looks amazing. It's disgusting.
That was so simple, wasn't it?
It was!
Yeah?
I'm glad you got the reference, aren't you?
Rob, I'm just going to time-lapse me assembling these doors. I'll do a quick talky bit. You can have dinner after that.
How long do we have left? Oh God.
I warmed it up as well.
You did. I did notice. You were getting so loopy, weren't you? What time was this?
Midnight.
Oh, right, yeah.
You thought this would be a time lapse?
I thought he was just going to buzz through this whole thing. Oh, Jesus. You missed the bit where I knocked it over. I was wondering if you got that. I nearly broke the panel and everything.
In the next video. No dab for you today, Rob. No dab.
Well done.
Thank
That's
you.
awesome.
Thank you. I'm so
favourite
glad
bit.
it's come through.
The art attack bit. And
Right at the start.
yeah, that was funny. That was well good.
Thank you.
Spot on again.